We all love the power of AI automation. With just a click and n8n, you can generate YouTube script, blog post, or email with the good quality. To get great results, you need advanced models like OpenAI's ChatGPT or Anthropic's Cloud, but using them regularly can get expensive. Once you run out of your credits, the service just stops working. That's why many people host these models in their computer using tools like Olama. But the reality is not everyone has a powerful enough machine to handle these big models. So what's the solution? Here are 3 completely free cloud-based services that lets you to plug powerful AI models directly into your workflows. No subscription needed, no fancy hardware, no limits. So let's jump right into the video and learn how to set up them, which model works best for you, and how to handle the authentication and how to set up credentials for the n8n. And finally, we will even generate a simple script using one of these models. But before we show you how to connect with it n8n, let me give you a quick live preview of what these models can do. So as you can see here, I'm at my workflow, which I have created to show you how you can use these models for creating script. Now, I have added this node, which what it does, it's basically is takes a YouTube link and give us a transcribed version of that. Third node is for mapping a script. So what it does is basically takes the transcribe from that node and then it will map the script. And after that, I have added this AI agent where I have given the prompt user message, and then after that I have added also this chat message. So this is an extra you can say a prompt. So I have added this detailed prompt. Now after that, I have added a model of Gemini. This is a free model from the Google. You can use it. Now we will set up after this preview. Now then I have added this node for passing the script. Now what it does is basically takes the title and the script, the full video script goes from here. So let's test this. So what I'm going to do, I will just search a YouTube video to transcribe it. So I will just go on to YouTube and find a video for this. Okay, I will take this video, click on the share, copy the link, and then I will paste this link into my this transcribe generator node. Now let's execute the workflow. Now, as you can see here, we have successfully generated a script out of a video of a YouTube. Now, just open this output and go into logs. Okay, go into output. Let me see in the format of JSON. So the title is the AI startup that blew past Google in 2 years. So the script, for 2 decades, Google reigned supreme in search, utterly unchallenged, but then AI powered search became. So as you can see, the results are great, and this is a free model. So let's go to next section where we will learn how to set up this model and how you can create credentials for n8n. Now let's set up our Google Gemini chat model into our n8n and create credential for that. Now, in order to create credential for Google Gemini chat model, what you have to do is open a new tab and search for Google AI Studio. Then click on the first link. Now, as you can see here, I have already created an account on Google AI Studio. But if you are a new user, just simply click on this create account button, or you can sign up with your Google. Now, when you sign in, with what you have to do next is search for this get API key button. Just click on it. After finding it, from the right, you have to click on this get API key. Now it will ask you to select a project from your existing Google Cloud project. Click on it. If you have created a project into your Google Cloud, just simply select from here. But if you are not created any project, what you have to do is go to google.cloud.com. Now after that, you will see this kind of interface. From the top left, you have to find this open project picker. Now I have created a lot of project over here, as you can see here. Click on this new project for the new user. Right now I am out of the limit. I have created all of my projects. It gives you around 12 limit of creating project. Now what you have to do is, after creating a project, go back to your Google AI Studio and select your project. Now after selecting your project, just simply click on this create API in existing project. Now it will give you the API key. You have to copy that API key. Now copy and then get back to our workflow. From the top right corner, you will find this plus icon. Click on it and search for AI agent. From here, you will see this AI agent. Just simply choose this. Now, as you can see, we have added our AI agent. Into our AI agent, what you have to do is just simply select chat models. Now over here, as you can see, you will get a lot of different types of chat models, like Ollama chat models, then you have OpenRouter chat models, then there are a lot of things. Now after that, I will choose the Google Gemini chat model. Select this, and right now I have already one credential. Now just to show you, I will create another one. Now just simply click on this create new credential and paste that API key you have copied from AI Studio into here. And then after that, you have to click on the save. Now it will test the connection, and as you can see, the connection tested successfully. Now you can use this model into your n8n workflow for free. Right now this Gemini is free. You can use different types of Gemini chat model. Like right now, this is by default is selected to model Gemini 2.5 Flash. You can use a different like 2.0 as well for free. And model Gemini, there are a lot of models. You can go and start experimenting with it. Now let's move to second chat model, which is free and cloud based. Now let's just remove this and remove this. Now let's move to second platform, which is OpenRouter. If you don't know what is OpenRouter, it is basically a platform that lets you to access and use a wide range of open source and third-party AI models through a unified API. It is good, to be honest. Now let's move. Now first thing first, what you have to do is create an account on OpenRouter if you are a new user. Now as you can see, I have created already an account into our OpenRouter. Now let's access our models. From the top, you will find this model name. Just simply click on it to access the models. Right now, after this, clicking on this, you will find two types of models, like free and paid. The Quen is free. They have written free as well. Now this is a paid. Actually, you can, if you want to use this model, you have to pay for it. Now this model is free. So what I'm going to do is I will use this model. This model is heavy because it is trained on 335 billion tokens. So this model is huge. Just simply click on it, and if you want to chat, you can just simply chat it from here. Now let's move. You have to go to APIs to generate a API key. Now just simply click on this create API key, and after that again you have to click on this create API key. Now after that, you have to enter the name of that specific key. I will give n8n script. Now after that, click on this create button. Now we get our API key. Just copy this key and go back to our workflow and add a chat model over here. We are going to use this OpenRouter chat model. Just select that and then click on this create credential. Now paste this API key over here and then save it and close this. Now from here you can select your model as well. For example, let me show you. You can search for, let's say, a small model of Mistral AI. I will use this one just to demonstrate you. You can search by typing as well. Now I have selected the Mistral, and let's execute our workflow. Let's see how it gives us an output. Now as you can see, we have successfully executed our workflow. Now as you can see here, the chat model is running perfectly. You can see the output. if you go into the schema or the table, you'll find the whole script. So this is working good, but this node which is passing, which makes sure that it has the text, title and the script, it's giving me error, but that's not the issue. So this model is working great over here, as you can see. So this is the output of which we have added over here. Now let's move to third platform, which is Groq AI. So if you don't know what is Groq AI, so it is basically Groq is a hardware plus AI interface platform. It is not a large language model company itself. It's known for its ultra-fast interface or open source LLMs. So thanks to its custom chips called LPU, language processing units. So it's basically it's very similar to the router, but way faster, and it's totally speed. So let's how you can just simply start how you can access this Groq AI into our n8n. So just simply click on this start building, and then what you have to do, it will take you to this dashboard of the Groq AI. So right now, as you can see, you can create API key from here. Just simply click on this create API key and it will verify you. Wait for a few seconds and copy your API key. And if you want to use the C URL, you can use it as well. Now go back to our workflow, click on the model, chat model, and search for Groq chat model. Now from here, you have to click on this create credential or credential to connect with, paste your API key which you have copied, and click on the save button. It will test the connection, and as you can see here, we have successfully connected. Just close this. Now from here you can choose the model, different types of model. Right now I will choose this Llama 3 8 billion parameters. Now let's execute again. Let's execute the workflow. Let's see how it goes, how it creates the output. So as you can see here, it worked successfully. It executed for whole workflow. Now as you can see here, the title, why Gen Z is secretly obsessed with the author. Now as you can see, it generated the YouTube short script. Imagine a world where a character wakes up once morning to find himself transformed into a giant insect. So it's good script, to be honest, for the short YouTube videos. So these are the three platforms you can use to generate a script or the email summarization, or basically you can use these chat models into your n8n AI workflow. So for free basically. So if you found this video helpful, then subscribe to our channel, and if you want a video on a specific topic, you can just comment it down below. I will make a video for that. Thanks for watching.